Go to My Computer and right-click on the main hard drive and open Properties. If your hard drive is too full, empty it. Keep at least 50% of the Windows drive free so that computer can run smoothly. Remove programs that are not useful to you. Virus and malware make the computer spend more time on each process. For this reason, be sure to install an antivirus. Also, keep your Windows updated. This will make your computer work better. Go to Control Panel and select Power Options. Put your computer in high performance mode. This will improve the overall speed and performance of your computer. Of course, this is done for PCs because it reduces the battery life in laptops. When files or data are scattered on the computer spends a lot of time searching. To prevent this, data can be integrated. You can also do this automatically every week. Of course, this work is not necessary for SSD hard drives because this is done automatically in them. To know if you need more memory or not, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape and look at the amount of memory used in the Performance tab. If the mentioned number was less than 25% of the total amount of memory, it means that you should increase your RAM. There are many software and services that run in the background and occupy the memory and processing power of the system. You can disable unnecessary ones. Avoid disabling graphics card driver, antivirus, and essentials startup services. You can use virtual memory when the total capacity of the RAM memory is full. In fact, in virtual memory, information is written on the hard disk instead of RAM. That's why the speed of virtual memory is lower than physical RAM. The amount of virtual memory is usually twice the amount of RAM. The virtual memory is to prevent the system from crashing. If your Windows speed is too slow, you can disable visual effects. This will make your system need less graphics card. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Be sure to turn off the option Get Tips and Suggestions when I use Windows, because it causes Windows to continuously analyze your activities and display help according to what you do. By doing this, unnecessary programs are deleted and memory is increased. A window will open asking you to select unnecessary program to delete. Many of these are related to Windows logs. Disable background service you don't need. To do this, enter the Run window and then type msconfig. First, tick Hide all Microsoft services and then disable those services that you don't want to work in the background. Some of these services are related to hardware drivers, which will cause Windows to stop working. When your computer is reset, the programs you were using will open again when Windows comes up, and this will slow down the system. That's why we turn off these options. Finally, if the computer speed problem is not solved with any of the items, you should reinstall Windows. And if the problem is still not solved, you should upgrade the system components.